Hello, epic one light setups. That's what we're doing today. To do epic one light setups, we need a light. Alright, sorted. Now, all we need is a bear. Yeah, because who needs people anyways? First setup, grab the light with a Fresnel lens. Put it either on a C-stand or a light stand but with an extension arm. Extend the arm until the light is hitting the bear from the back. Cover the light with black wrap to stop any light leaks. Now hit that light on and film. Second setup, grab that light, put it on the ground, shining up towards the bear. Change the temperature of the light to something warmer and more orangey. Now, grab a white piece of paper and something that is see-through and just wave them above the light like an idiot. Fire. Third setup, put the light on a stand. Grab the stand and put it at an angle to the bear. Now tilt the light head down and raise the stand. Hit that light on the bear and film. Setup number 4. Keep the light on the stand. Now close the barn doors until a very thin amount of light is passing through. Grab some black wrap and again cover the light so that you don't get any light leakage. Now direct the light to hit the eye of the bear. Make sure you have a close-up shot so anything from a 50mm lens upwards would do, and then film. Fifth setup, grab a piece of cardboard and get creative. What you have to do here is make a cookie. A cookie is a shaped piece of metal, but here we're doing it with cardboard. So grab that cardboard and cut some patterns into it. Here, we want to create some slashes of light, so this is why we're doing these lines. Open the barn doors on the light, make sure that the Fresnel lens is focused, get the light up nice and high, and place the cookie in front of it. You're going to have to play around with the distance between the cookie and the light itself in order to nail that focus. You could do tons of patterns in these cookies so you can get as creative as you can, but here's another one for you. Cut out the shape of a keyhole in this cardboard and of course limit the amount of light leaking and reflecting all over the place. You don't want that. Your aim here is to see the light passing through that keyhole. Setup number 6. Take the Fresnel lens off of the light and put a diffuser or a softbox on it. Use a C-stand or a normal light stand with an extension arm to position the light right above your subject. Setup number 7. Take the diffuser off of the light, put the Fresnel lens back on. And what you do right now is tie your light with any sort of cord, cable or rope or anything that you can find that could both support the light and allow you to swing it. All you have to do now is position yourself above the subject and live dangerously. Now, what you need to do is to start backlighting, because that's how you're gonna up your lighting game. So check this video out and learn all about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And until next time, CineStuff out.